So hey cuties, here Shine. Today I'm going to show a quick tutorial to how to make everything look dreamy. So firstly we are going to edit a picture in Snow app. Select filter option, select 90s under it, choose 90s pink, pull it between 10 to 20. After that go to adjust option, here choose split tone, choose shadows color green. Now this is optional, but you can try and use it. Go to curves, select the blue color, pull it down to get a yellowish effect on your picture. After that go on effects, select blur, under it select glow. Pull it to 0. And this is how your picture gonna look like. Dreamy, right? But you can increase this in case your picture is looking too much busy or blurry. And this is the final result. Now how we gonna edit our video? So select the video in Snow app, go to filters again, choose 90s or 90s spring, keep it between 30 to 50 and save it. Now go to Prequel app, choose the video that you just saved, click on adjust, click on blur, increase the mist and increase the glow. And see how dreamy it looks like. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.